Without a CSD account, you cannot invest in shares, bonds, and treasure bills in Ghana. And before you can get a CSD account, you need to have a broker. Brokers are a mediator or betweener between you and the company that you want to invest in. And the CSD account is an account like a bank account where the bank account holds your money. The CSD account holds your shares or your stock or your equities or the kind of investment that you have made in the Ghana Stock Exchange. This video, I'm going to take you through the step by step on how you can get your CSD account created and verified within a week. So if you're having a problem with your CSD account or you want to invest in treasure bill, bonds and stocks, stay here to the end. Now let's go to the video. First thing, we need a broker, and we have so many brokers in Ghana. Some are offline or they operate offline. Some have a website and an apps. Right now, we have only two brokers in Ghana that have an app. The first one is IC Wealth, that's our IC Security, and we have a Blackstar, that's the Blackstar group. This video right here, I'm going to use the IC Wealth. That's the one that I've been using and I love to use it, so I'll use that one for the purpose of this video, and I want everyone to stay to the end so that you don't mix anything. Let's jump into it. So you go to your Play Store or App Store and download the IC Word. Here we have register and then we have the login. So click on the register. At this point, you're going to fill in the details that they have right here. The question that will be asked from you need to make sure you provide all these questions to register your account. Make sure you fill in the details very well. So at this point, you're going to provide your details like your contact details, your phone number, your email address. Make sure your phone number and the email address will be an active email and then phone number in case they want to contact you for anything or any information, you receive it. So here is your employment details, like the work that you do, your payment and stuff. You are going to provide all of them here. Very easy and simple to set it up. So if you are working in a certain institution, you can include it. If you're doing your own job or you are self-employed too, you know, at this point you need to provide the front of your Ghana card, the back of your Ghana card, and then a passport picture. If you don't have it or you haven't taken a picture of it on your phone, you can just take the picture, then you upload it and it will be like this form. After you have done, then you hit on submit to submit. From this point, you need to agree to their terms and conditions, so you can go through and read everything. After you have done reading it, then you hit on agree. So now as you have done, you see the summary here. You go through the summary and check your provided documents, your name, your email address, telephone number and other stuff, your verification and the document that you submitted. Then you check it out from then and you hit on it and your account will. So this is how your account will look like. You can scroll down and check in and see everything about your account, a new account, and there's no money in it. So you can go through the app and check out everything that is being found on the app. You can go in and invest. So now we have done creating the brokered account with IC Word. So we use IC Word to create our brokered account. So we are now using IC Broker for our investment. Now left with the CSD account. So without the CSD account, we cannot access the Trade Life. So let's go in and create the CSD account. If you hit on the Trade Life, this is how it will show out, right? It says how to create your IC account. So you tap on it and you start creating your IC account. If you already have an existing IC account, then you provide it. If you don't have that CSD account, then you come to the next step and then you start choosing your bank, the bank that you want to use. If it is mobile money, you choose the mobile money. You type the mobile number and then it will track and check if the number on your Ghana card and the name that you use with the mobile money number, they are all the same. If it is the same, then it will work for you. If not, it won't work. If you check this one, the name is different and the telephone number is also different, so that one it couldn't work. I need to make sure the name on the mobile money and the name that I use on registering the account will be the same name, the bank that I'm using, right? So if you're using the bank too, make sure everything is the same. If not, your account will not work for you. So when you are creating your CSD account, the first thing is your bank account and then your investment horizon and then your objective or the reason why you are investing, knowledge that you have on we talk about investment. That is what mostly we needed here. The third process, that's the last one, is also your risk tolerance And then your risk tolerance is talks about the risks that how you can handle risks when it comes to investment and stuff. So you choose the one that you think is which will help you. Okay. And then the last one is a signature. And this signature, at first for me, when I was creating my account, I signed it on a piece of paper. I take a screenshot and upload it. But for this one, you can sign it on the system without signing it somewhere and upload it. Okay. So you just go ahead and sign a signature. So after you have done this, is the message that they will send to you that we are currently working with the Central Security Depository to set up your trading account. So now our CSD account has been created, and it takes time for the account to be verified. So now ICWord is going to submit this CSD account into the Central Security Depository for them to look into our account and verify our account for us. And it takes sometimes about 3 to 4 weeks. Sometimes it takes a month before your account will be set up. So if you want your account to be set up, so make sure at times you give them a pressure by sending them messages, email and stuff with your account details, your email address and stuff, so that they will look into it and verify your account for you very fast. If this video add value to you, don't forget to subscribe and like, and then also share to others also to enjoy. If you want our full classes on how you can invest, make sure you send us a message. You click on the link and test out. We will take you through everything step by step.